is it like working on a film which, talks about reincarnation? Do you guys believe in that concept?
No, but it doesn't matter whether I believe it or not. I don't believe that animals talk to each other, but I love Jungle Book.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter. I don't believe in reincarnation. But it largely depends on the narrative, the story that
Right.
I'm listening to. And if I like the story, no matter what you do, I'll believe you. You tell me that you're 6 feet 1 inch and still you're Dhoni, I'll believe you. So I don't believe in reincarnation, but the story
Right.
of Ratha is so
I think
engaging.
for me too, I didn't really believe in reincarnation, but I read this book, Many Lives, Many Masters, which kind of talks about different lives of the same person, and
Right.
also the connections that you have sometimes in this life, which are not blood relations, but you feel really connected to one person,
Right.
or you meet someone and you don't know that person, and you, for some reason, don't like that person. So somewhere those are sort of related to the connection you had with the same person in another life,
Right.
which sounded fascinating to me, and somewhere I wanted to believe in it, so I did.
Okay. How was it being directed by Dinesh Vijan?
It was a lot of fun. I think for me, I never felt that it's the first time he's directing or anything like that. Firstly, it was his narration that I liked.
Right.
You know, he narrated without any paper, without any dialogues, and it was his vision that I liked.
You were sure
Yeah.
what his vision.
Yeah.
So him.
Right.
The best thing about him is that I think when you are very sure about what you want, you tend to tell people what to do. But he's a great combination of somebody who is very sure about what he wants, and he would let you do your thing, so
Right.
that a proper collaboration can happen, which is rare, and that happened.
And also sometimes, he doesn't. So sometimes when you read a scene, you also have visuals in your head कि ऐसे होगा.
Right.
And we used to do a scene at times in a particular way, and then it used to be nice, and he used to come कि बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, अब कुछ और करते हैं. So I think that for me was very interesting. Sometimes when you do it in a completely different way,
Right.
it turns out to be magical, and that's what I loved.
The songs from the movie are doing really well. I mean, we are getting comments that Girlfriend Boyfriend is a very nice song, Rapta title track. So, how was it shooting for this song, Girlfriend Boyfriend?
Wait.
He was the most excited
Of
about
course.
that shoot.
I was a dancer before I became an actor.
Yeah.
And still when I act, I think like a dancer. This is a good thing. But because of the films that I chose for, interesting films that I thought were interesting at that point of time, I could not
Sure,
dance
sure,
as
that.
Dhoni and Dhoni cannot dance. So I could not dance. And this is for the first time that I was allowed to dance. But at the same time, very fortunately, I was in shape, so I'm fronting my house in there. So everything that I always dreamt about.
His dream came true basically
Yeah.
with Met Mera Boyfriend. I think I love that track. I think for me, I'm more of a Dhimchak person, and I like all these tracks. I have a playlist also called Dhimchak, and it's on top of that playlist now. And and I love dancing. I didn't know whether I could act or not, but I always knew I really loved dancing. Dancing
Right.
was something to my 5 साल से I was like dancing on Akhiyan Mein Aankhon De Akhiyan Churawan, songs like that.
Wow.
And again, to have a song like this where you can really go all out and
Right.
dance your heart out with proper choreography, and Ahmed Khan has done a fab job.
You can take your clothes off. I did.
My bachelor's off.
And you guys look absolutely hot in the song.
Thank
So,
you.
this is the first time I'm getting this compliment. Trust me, I've been working for 10 years. I was waiting for it.
Right. So now we have a quick game to play with y'all. It's called Fishing the Answers. Okay. So we have 2 bowls. One is for Sushant and one is for Kriti. And there are chits in it and there are questions. So whatever is the question, you have to give the answer.
Okay.
Honestly?
Yep.
Depends.
Depends.
Just give.
Yeah, that's fine.
Have to take. What?
No, you have to take
Wait,
from your.
Fine.
Yeah, I'll ask you a question. Makes sense.
That-
So, you go first.
Don't confuse me so much.
I can't
So
go.
for pink, we'll have the pink chip first.
Yay.
Your favorite sex position? Are all the questions like this, or is It's just I'm so
I
lucky
think-
to have this one.
I think you're lucky one to have that question first.
I think
I'm so done now.
for some reason, I like numbers in 60s, so probably 69.
Okay. Kriti, what's your question?
Last time you asked someone for an autograph. Never. I've never asked anyone for an autograph.
Really?
Yeah.
You've never been starstruck or ever since childhood or and
She's smiling the first time she
Maybe.
met me.
Maybe when I was really, I was very small. I was probably 8 years old or 7 years old. When I gone to this engagement ceremony or something where there were a lot of actors, and I think I all asked Salman Khan and Jackie Shroff probably.
Did you hear you?
Yeah, that was really cute. Yeah. Salman Khan called me sweetheart that time. Okay, it was shy.
Have you ever had a gay encounter?
I had all these questions like adult questions that time.
Have you ever had a gay encounter? Yes, multiple of times. Sometimes,
Gay encounter?
of course. Like,
As in you doing something?
I would. So, first few years, I didn't get to know that I was having an encounter. Later years, I was kind of.
You're talking about one-sided encounter, right? Okay. I'm just kind of getting more shocked.
It's my time to surprise you.
An embarrassing moment while shooting with Sushant during Yatra.
She's getting these questions. I'm getting these. Let's
I look like a
exchange the
CD
basket.
ladki and it looks like this ladka who will answer all these questions. Embarrassing moment with you.
When you got to know that I'm taller to you because you're not used to it.
That's not embarrassing though.
Hmm?
I think not embarrassing but awkward moment I would say. Your flaunting your back thing. So there was a lovemaking scene. There was a lovemaking scene, and there are like some 50 people around, so it's like so.
Can I
very
also answer that
mechanical.
question?
Yeah, sure.
Very mechanical and all, and so there was a bed and all, and when the scene is done, I got off the bed, and I just casually turned back, and he's ulta on the bed, flexing his back muscles, okay, with no one under him. So I couldn't understand what's happening. And then I realized Homie is taking a video of his back muscles
Just
flexing.
wanted to see how sexy my back looks
He wanted
While-
to see. Was
while-
there another gay counter?
in the shot. In the shot. But we couldn't ask you to come again.
Was there another
You
gay
would feel
counter?
otherwise. So we were like,
But it was damn awkward. It was like some booty experience happening with no one reaching. Yeah.
pink one. Looks safe.
Is there another?
What was it shooting with Kendall Jenner?
Okay. I'll see if I
Thank
can.
you. Well, I was kind of excited because I knew that she's like one of the top models. But I was not taking it so seriously. It was only when I was, my niece, she's just came from Shawshank, and I told her that I shot with Kendall Jenner. So I have actually told her many things that I've worked with him or this and everybody, every time she was convinced. But this is the first time and she was not getting the news that I shot with Kendall Jenner. And then I showed her the picture and she thought that I photoshopped. And yes, so then only I got to realize that I've done something very amazing. So yes, shooting with Kendall and of course Mario just
Yeah.
it was a great experience.
Did you opt out of a film knowing it might flop?
Every time.
Opt out?
As in, have you rejected or opted out of a film?
No, but sometimes I have rejected films which I didn't like only, so I felt they'll flop. So, that way, yeah.
Maybe. Okay. Next.
When did you last go naked on a beach? Super.
What is happening? It's like a bacha na.
You can also answer if you want to answer.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
of
very
course.
happy with questions.
I was there. Cape Town.
Completely naked.
Yeah, that was a new beach. I was. They were not allowing me. I just took it off. I wanted to go to Cape. There was
Are you
a.
taking it out already?
No, that was my childhood dream. So, but I could not
Why do you
go.
have such weird dreams?
Why are they asking these questions? Is there any logical explanation? So yeah.
Friends with benefits of committed relationship. Committed relationship. Any day.
Okay.
Yeah. How much did you get paid for your first job?
Are you not happy with the question? No.
See, he's not happy now.
as scrutinized the first job, get paid. So actually, nothing. I actually invested. I end up investing money in the first
What was your first job?
two films.
What was your first job?
Oh, like
First
any
job
job.
ever.
Any job, yeah.
Any job. Yeah, I got 250 rupees for 1 hour. I was giving tuition to this very good looking 12th grade student when I was in my first year. Yes, I was in my first year of my college and she was sitting for AIMS and I was teaching her physics. And I was paid 250 rupees. Not that I
Decidedly.
cared for
Nice.
it, but that was a good time.
Bikini or sari? Sari. I think it's sexy.
Okay.
Should be asking me these questions.
You want to wear bikini or sari?
So, is it better to be single or in a relationship? Is that I think it's a factor. Yeah, the idea of relationship is better than being single, but being in a relationship is not better than being single.
And you completely confused me.
That is exactly my take.
Your 4 a.m. friend. I'm not up at 4 a.m. usually, so there's no point of having a 4
2
a.m.
a.m. friend. Let's
2
prepone it.
a.m. friend. I don't have any. Who think he has 2 a.m. friend? He's up, like he doesn't sleep usually.
I have 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., all kind of things. Actually, my
you don't
sister, she's
sleep?
same state, so it's.
I have sisters or my 3 a.m. friend. She's more up at night than I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the next game that we have is called How Dirty Minded Are You?
I thought this was the house.
Guys,
No,
let's not do.
No, it's a very basic one.
This was how clean we
I am not answering those questions.
So the first question, we'll give you hints and you have to tell us the first word that comes to your mind. One 4-letter word that starts with F and ends with K.
Is there a word like that?
Fork.
Wait, there was. Oh, well,
Can you come up with one?
fuck no.
One 4-letter. One 4-letter
Are you
word.
not looking
I
at
don't know
PG?
why I'm doing that.
One 4-letter word that starts with P and ends with N.
4-letter word.
P starts with P and ends with N.
Human.
Yeah, I think that was
Same answer. That's
okay.
cool.
I don't know.
I know.
4-letter word that starts with C and ends with T.
And ends with
T.
chit.
That's
Yeah.
fine.
Chit.
Cheat.
Oh, like chit. Okay.
Not cheat.
Big chit is fine.
Yeah. I was thinking about some other word.
Last one. One 5-letter word that starts with B and ends with
Sorry, B?
H. Yeah.
B.
B
And
for
ends
Bombay.
with
H.
5-letter word.
Yeah.
Beach.
I didn't
Yes.
know that I was so
I
clean from
actually,
inside.
but I actually didn't think of anything else.
Really?
No.
That's why you don't find most of my jokes funny. Because you don't get it. Yes, of course, like this. No?
Last one. 7-letter word that starts with B and ends with D.
B and D.
तो ये पीछे से खुद ही हंस दिया तो कितना क्लीन माइंड है किसका 7-letter word कैसे
मैं सुशांत को देख के हंस रही हूँ.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ छोड़ो इधर आ जाना चलते हैं
Befriend.
Yeah.
Befriend.
बिल्कुल रहने दो
नहीं, befriend ज़्यादा हो गया. Count the.
Friend is
अच्छा मैं बताऊँ मैं एक
8 हो गया ना?
मैं एक हिंट देता
I don't know.
हूँ मैं एक हिंट देता हूँ दिल्ली में दिल्ली
वो मेरे को पता है क्या बोल रहे हैं मैं कुछ और ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ
कुछ और
हाँ मैं क्लीन और ढूंढ रही हूँ
इतना इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ और नहीं By the way, it's the only 7-letter word that I know.
बहुत सारे यार ऐसे बहुत सारे.
by the way people behind are also thinking
But it all expresses the same emotion.
again you come back what are you doing
Yeah.
There is baffled, there is bound,
Blessed.
blessed. See, there's so many words. सोचना पड़ता है. Okay, now we're going to be taking some fan questions. We have a lot of fans sending in questions. One question is, which is your favorite song from Rapta? This is from Shivraj.
मैं तेरा boyfriend तू मेरी
Has to.
girlfriend.
Okay. Others are just giving compliments. You guys are my favorite couple in Bollywood.
Read them.
Aman Jain says, y'all are my favorite couple from Bollywood. Seema Jain is saying, hi Kriti, pretty gorgeous you look.
Thank you.
Look,
Sushant, you dance so well. Can I dance with you?
Of course you can. I won't charge.
Somebody is saying, Umar said is saying hi from Italy.
Hi.
Kriti, please say something about Sushant.
Self-obsessed. Self-obsessed with good humor.
Okay.
You know?
Ray Joshi is asking, are you guys dating?
Huh? I don't know.
No.
Okay. Shivani is asking, who is your favorite co-star ever, Sushant?
My favorite co-star. Sweetheart.
Okay. Himansh Agarwal is asking, which is your favorite moment from the movie, from the shoot?
You know, there's this really sweet scene between both of us where we sort of genuinely express our feelings towards each other. So Shiv and Saira, I think, you know, the new scene.
I was always genuinely expressive.
No,
What-
like expressing
Oh, that.
love. Yeah. We're talking about our hearts and what our hearts feel for each
So
other.
very romantic.
So that's a very romantic scene.
Sushant, there are a lot of girls who are proposing you.
Thank you for that because nobody was proposing me when I was in college and that's why I became an actor. So I think I finally arrived.
To get proposals.
Sushant is asking, Sushant, are you doing a film with Sara? Please say yes.
Please say yes.
But are you doing it with your question?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, of course I don't. I don't get to know most of the times.
Okay.
I'm doing 5 films, so probably.
Swati Upadhyay is saying, what is the best moment during the promotions?
The end of it?
Vibhanshu is asking, when are you going to write your book? This is for Sushant.
I'm actually writing a book because the publisher wants to just compile all the self-musing thing that I write. So I'm actually writing it while it will get.
While writing.
Yes, while writing. While thinking about it.
Last one, people are just, Samir Verma is saying, I love you, Kriti Sanon. And there is Shabir who's saying, you are beautiful and all the best for Rapta.
I love you too and thank you. And Rapta releases on 9th June. Do go watch it.
And look around, man.
You want Game Rapta? I think so.
No, there is a message from Pooja Jadhav for Sushant. I love you really much. 6 packs for movie is awesome.
8.
Just
She's
done it
written
properly.
6. Sorry.
My face was distracting, and that's fine.
That's it. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
everyone.
guys.
Thank you guys.
You all can just say, we love you all kinds.
No, more important than that, of course we love you. And 9th of June is a very engaging film that we actually absolutely love. And you won't be disappointed. Please come and watch it. And love you.
Love you.